Hi, I'm Polly from SNAP123 and I want to tell you about the importance of your child being able to use one-to-one correspondence when they're counting. It's a prerequisite skill for pretty much all mathematical skills that they will have at school, and often you'll find that children are not able to do this. So what I want to do is just show you some really simple ways that you can help develop one-to-one correspondence with your children. It could be something as simple as this, to put the cups on the table and then to count one spoon into each one. So you say to your child, put one spoon in each cup. 1, 1, 1. So they're making sure that they are doing one action for each number that they do. They could, even if they get better at that, then they can count along as they go. Put the spoons in the cups. 1, 2, 3. And that skill will help them realise that there is one number for one action that you do, and get that relationship. In a similar way, you can ask the child to count how many apples are in a container, or even get them for you when they're at the shopping centre. So get the apples out. How many apples are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the action of moving the apple will help slow them down, rather than if you just said count the apples. If you just said count the apples, they will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they might get lost in what they're doing. So getting them to move it is what really slows them down and helps them to do it. Another really great thing to do is to have them pointing to numbers on a wall. If they're having trouble paying attention to it, move them further away from the number so they have to lean into it. But what they can do is lean out and point using a spoon or anything that you've got that's exciting, and count across. 1. So they can hear that each time they hit the wall, there's a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If your child does this and they race ahead and count too quickly, which a lot of kids do, or too slowly, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are not showing one-to-one correspondence, so you need to slow them down, make it sure that it becomes even a further stretch, so that you're reinforcing that there's one spoken number for each time that they're pointing to a visual number. 1, 2, 3. Doing these types of activities will really help your child learn their one-to-one correspondence skills. Okay, thanks for listening.